Welcome to Nikhil's Tech and Appliances. Today, we're diving into an exciting unboxing of 10 ultimate cool gadgets that will elevate your smart home experience. Each gadget tackles a unique problem, providing innovative solutions. You can grab these amazing gadgets at super affordable prices from the links in the description box below. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support gives us the motivation to bring you more amazing content that is sure to impress. Let's get started. Number 1. Polyester Electronics Accessories Organizer Bag. Tired of tangled cables and misplaced chargers? Meet the Polyester Electronics Accessories Organizer Bag. This compact and lightweight travel organizer features multiple compartments to neatly store your cables, chargers, and even your iPad mini. Made from durable waterproof material, it ensures your tech essentials are always organized and protected while you're on the go. Number 2. Tuza Universal Stylus Pen. Say goodbye to finger smudges on your screen with the Tuza Universal Stylus Pen. This sleek pen is designed for all touchscreen devices, including smartphones and tablets. With a fine point disc tip for precision and a lightweight aluminum body, it offers a smooth writing experience. Plus, its magnetic cap ensures you never lose it. Number 3. Logitech G29 Driving Force Racing Wheel. Rev up your gaming with the Logitech G29 Driving Force Racing Wheel. This high-performance racing wheel features real force feedback, stainless steel paddle shifters, and a leather steering wheel cover, delivering an immersive racing experience on PS5, PS4, PC and Mac. Get ready to feel every twist and turn of the track. Number 4. Eye Massager with Heat. Relax and rejuvenate with the Eye Massager with Heat. This innovative device combines heat therapy with Bluetooth music to reduce eye strain and improve sleep quality. Its rechargeable design allows you to enjoy soothing massages anywhere, making it perfect for unwinding after a long day. Number 5. Camera Printer. Capture memories instantly with the Camera Printer. This compact printer allows you to print photos directly from your smartphone via Bluetooth without ink. Perfect for creating labels or sharing memories with friends. It's a must-have for any photography enthusiast. Number 6. Power Engraving Pen. Unleash your creativity with the Power Engraving Pen. Ideal for personalizing jewelry or crafting unique designs on various materials like glass and wood. This electric engraving tool is easy to use and has extra tool nibs for versatility. Whether you're a hobbyist or looking to create custom gifts, this pen is a game changer. Number 7. Infinity Calendar and Stationery Organizer. Keep your kids organized with the Infinity Calendar and Stationery Organizer. Perfect for ages 8 to 14. This fun and interactive organizer helps children manage their schedules while encouraging creativity through DIY projects. It makes an excellent gift for birthdays or Christmas. Number 8. MicroBrite Plus Pocket Microscope. Explore the microscopic world with the MicroBrite Plus Pocket Microscope. With 60x, 120x magnification and LED lighting. This portable microscope is perfect for science enthusiasts of all ages. It's compact enough to carry in your pocket, making it great for outdoor adventures or classroom experiments. Number 9. Fusion Smart Mini Bluetooth Speaker. Enjoy music anywhere with the Fusion Smart Mini Bluetooth Speaker with 10 hours of playtime, RGB lights, and wireless karaoke capabilities. This speaker is perfect for parties or relaxing at home. Its multi-play modes ensure you can connect effortlessly via Bluetooth or USB. Number 10. PureView Transparent Wireless Mouse. Upgrade your workspace with the PureView Transparent Wireless Mouse. This sleek design features Bluetooth connectivity and a rechargeable battery, ensuring you stay productive without the clutter of wires. Its LED battery indicator adds a stylish touch while informing you about battery life. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description box below. Thanks for watching Nikhil's Tech and Appliances, where we bring you the latest in tech innovations.